Hi, I'm Amanda Forrest. I'm a faculty member in the Social Psychology program, and I lead the Pitt Relationship Processes Lab. In our lab, we study how people can develop and maintain high-quality close relationships. A lot of our work examines communication processes. We investigate how people express themselves with their romantic partners, close friends, and other social network members, including what they say and do in times when they need support or when they're facing threats to their relationships. Our studies employ a variety of methods, including behavioral observation of couples having face-to-face conversations in our living room-style lab, as well as correlational and experimental investigations of communication and relationship maintenance processes across a variety of contexts, including on social media, in mediated interactions using text, email, or voicemail exchanges, and in everyday in-person interactions. We love to have undergraduates get involved in our lab through directed research. Student tasks typically include running participants in lab-based studies, assisting with the development of materials for upcoming studies, and coding or rating written, audio recorded, or video recorded data on various dimensions. We also read articles and listen to podcasts that give us new insights into exciting areas of relationship research and discuss them as a group. We look for students who are highly organized and motivated, eager to learn about close relationships, excited about gaining hands-on research experience, and who can work collaboratively with other lab members as well as independently on specific tasks. You don't need to have prior research experience or be a psychology major to join our lab. We typically look for students who have a 3.0 GPA or higher, who have at least 12 credits in psychology, including Introduction to Social Psychology and research methods, but there is some flexibility. So if you have a strong interest in the lab but don't have one of these elements, don't let that stop you from reaching out to us. If you'd like to learn more about how to get involved, you can check out the Directed Research page on the Pitt Psychology Department website, which includes our listing on the Directed Research Opportunities page under Social Psychology, Dr. Amanda Forrest. You can also check out our webpage by Googling Pitt Relationship Processes Lab. We typically have directed research positions in fall and spring, and we ask students to commit to 2 terms of directed research in our lab for 3 credits per term, or about 8 hours per week. If you're interested in applying to join the lab, I suggest reaching out to the contact person listed on the Directed Research Opportunities to inquire about fall positions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll consider joining us.